Hey, what's up? Today I got a beautiful and very easy recipe for my potato fritters. Very easy to make, super delicious, and you know what? I hit with everybody. So, as you can see, I've already pre-peeled and boiled my potatoes. To start us off, very simply, I'm gonna have my pan on. I'm gonna shallow fry these. I want this preheating. The trick to any successful frying, in order not to absorb all the oil that's in your pan, is to make sure your pan is hot and your oil that you're gonna be frying in is hot as well. So for this, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of pepper to start seasoning it up, a little bit of salt, perfect. I'm going to do a little bit of fennel. Fennel and potatoes go really well together, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on how much you like. You cannot have any kind of Greek potato dish without a little oregano. And for this, I'm going to be using about half a teaspoon. Make sure you get some of the, holy shit, that's like a souvlaki stick. Take out some of the stems and the stalks from this. They're not fun to eat. Just giving you a heads up. As well, I'm going to be using the zest of one lemon for this. I like that lemony flavor. That's pretty much the main ingredients of these. Now, once our potatoes are, for the most part, mashed up, I'm going to take a little green onion. I'm using 3 green onions. Just take the roots off and just real fine, just chop them up. I'm using green onions for this because I don't want the overpowering flavor of the white or the red onions. So that's that there. The other little kicker to this is a little graviera. If you guys have a little Gruyere, use it. You can use feta. You can use cassetti if you have it. That's another very, very popular Greek cheese that I absolutely love. And for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece. It's about 50, 60 grams. Take this off here. You don't need that extra like skin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into small, very small little cubes. I'm not going to grate it. I want little bombs of cheese melted into this. So when you bite it, that's what you're going to be experiencing. So these are going to go in as well, my little cheese bits here. Perfect. Now, I think for this, what I'm going to use now is I'm going to take a little spatula. I'm going to do about half a cup of olive oil. Please don't start with the 1 and 2 tablespoons bullshit because it's like insane. It makes me nuts when I hear that. Greeks do not use a tablespoon of anything or 2 when it comes to frying. So just give these a mix. It's true. So now just basically what you're going to do is just divide the potato into 4. And what you're going to do is just form it into patties. Isn't that gorgeous? That's absolutely fantastic. That is exactly what I want. These are going to be 4 pretty generous patties. So these are pretty much done on one side. Time to flip these over carefully, nice and easy. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I want. I want that little bit of unctuousness, that little bit of charring. Oh, that is all flavor. I'm just getting excited just doing this. So let these go now for a little bit, finish cooking. We'll be ready to go. So my fritters are absolutely done. Oh, they're absolutely perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The next trick to this is to place them on a plate with some paper towel on it to absorb the excess oil. That's definitely not what we want. How gorgeous is that? And all you really need for this to serve them up with is a little bit of maybe yogurt or a little bit of tzatziki, and you are absolutely fantastic. You're good to go. A little fork here and just try this out. Look at this. It's going to take this little melty part here, little crust at the end. Okay, that's I'm getting that delicious potato flavor, the softness of the green onion, the sharpness of the Gruyere is absolutely magnificent, absolutely gorgeous. And there's a lemon zest. So that's it for this episode on my Greek-style potato fritters, or Patatokroketes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing for this recipe and so many others. If you want the written printable form, check me out online at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, much love. Bye for now.